Mia.
Oh my God! Oh my God, is this for real? Are you really back?
For real, for now.
Oh my God, you bastard, I missed you so much. You're a piece of You had me so worried, not one call?
I texted.
Yeah, real detailed, miss you guys having fun.
I didn't want you to worry.
Well, I worried more. Where the hell were you?
The Army. I enlisted.
The Army?
Yeah, I wanted to find myself. Didn't think I could do it here.
Oh, don't you have to be 18?
Don't know, don't care. I left. Stuff got nuts.
What stuff?
Oh, military trying to control me.
Well, isn't that what the military does?
Got sick of it, but hey, I met some amazing folks. Got all these great ideas. I'm a different person. Hey, but we can talk about that later, right?
Sure. Do you want a sandwich?
Yeah. Oh, starving.
It's yours.
Nice hardware.
Yeah. My winter boots don't fit. All I can get on are knee pumps and tennis shoes. Are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah, great. Why?
You seem a little caffeinated.
I quit smoking.
So, what's next for you?
Oh, I've been thinking about apprenticing with this electrician I met. You know, learn how to wire stuff.
What about high school?
Oh, Frank finished high school. Worked out great for him.
You have to finish, Ian.
I don't have to do anything. I'm done living the way other people want me to live. But, hey, thanks for the sandwich.